Another Amazon related thing, Whole Foods. They're trying out a dark store. What do you think about a dark store?
I don't know what it is, but
Let's
I
hear.
like the sound of it.
Yeah, let's hear from Willie
you
Doo.
know.
He's just going to go out on a limb and speculate right
Oh
now.
boy.
What is a dark store? Whole Foods going to try out a dark store.
I was thinking maybe something after hours,
No, the lights are just turned off.
just physically, like
Just for energy savings, the light. No.
yeah.
No. Keep going.
No.
Keep going, Will. Let's hear it. You make it sound like a
store.
party or something. At the Whole Foods, you're just hanging out after hours.
I don't know. I guess based with like COVID, I mean, there's just so many people. Maybe it's like a smaller store, but they can shop there. I don't know. A dark store. Come on now. What kind of is there a hint? Give me a hint.
No, there's no hint. This dark store is not a store for you at all, Will. It's a store that will never have customers. It's a store that looks like a store on the inside. However, the shoppers would be Whole Foods or Amazon employees who would shop for you essentially, and then you would do, and then it would be the delivery. So they would set up a Whole Foods, in this case in Brooklyn, and apparently, by the way, the plan was already there prior to COVID to do this. And what's amazing, if you scroll down, it looks like a regular store. It's kind of weird to think about a little bit further. Look at that. No customers will ever be in there. The employees at a store will march up and down. It's so perfectly and well organized. They'll put together your order and it'll be on its way to your place either by delivery or by bicycle,
So it's like a distribution center.
but arranged like a store,
I see.
right? Because what's weird about food is a typical warehouse environment might not be optimal for the people that are picking it. It might be terrible, in fact. Cardboard boxes and everything else. Shopping is pretty efficient if everything's organized well in the aisles. You got to go to the one section, to the frozen food. You got to go to the... So if you make the aisles a little wider and you don't have those pesky customers walking about, you go to the snack aisle, you could probably fill out an order pretty quick. So this is, again, it's a very timely thing, as you mentioned, with the COVID and the whatnot. And this is... And the whatnot. It's not typical for a Whole Foods because a Whole Foods, you normally have the hot food and the table, and it's an experience. But people aren't having these experiences in the same way they used to. Now it's efficiency and delivery in a lot of cases. And you see it, these people, they have their picking lists on smartphones, and they go around the aisles. They put it in a cart. They do the shopping in a way that you would do the shopping.
Just like this.
Yeah.
Perfect pose.
I mean, she's got the shopping cart.
I
That's
would do it.
exactly how you would look,
Just
Will.
leaning on top of the shopping cart there.
In the grocery store. That's exactly what you would do. Now, Amazon is taking a couple different approaches. So this is one way with the Whole Foods dark store, but we talked on the last episode about them also launching their fresh supermarket in California, in which you would still be in there, but you would have a lot less interaction because you'd be doing all the new tech ways of shopping using your phone to keep track and all the rest of it, just like Walmart was announcing with Walmart Plus. So many new ways, Will, to buy things
Yes.
and to live in the environment of 2020.
Yeah.